Hello there, and welcome to another exciting episode of Caddy of the Day. Today we feature the Rump Shaker. Although she doesn't know it, she plays the bongos every time she walks the course. She addresses the ball in ballerina fashion. She effortlessly picks it up and scampers out of the way to keep the round going. Even though she's wearing what I call a Skittles outfit, somehow she manages to still pull it off. She smiles and bongos her way back to the ball. As a gesture of gratitude, the other caddy smacks her tush in admiration. I'm Thurston McMyer III. Come and join me as we explore the Gulf Serengeti and follow around the caddy I call the Rump Shaker. Let's go!
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. So many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go!
Lao Thơmไปอีก nice spot outside left
This is for par 10, this is for another 50 baht.
เฮ้ยอะไร oh my god mission complete
Yeah, mission complete. She said mission complete. No, the mission ain't complete yet. Hey. She hit you hit my caddy?
help me
Yeah.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
You ain't getting nothing like it. That's for my caddy. My caddy Toot Yai. Toot means derriere. Speaking of derriere, the little feisty one likes to Muay Thai. Kick ours. And it seems like the Rump Shaker enjoys it. This is how our day went, having fun with caddies while happening to play golf.
That's the bunk they built, god damn it! Oh!
Oh, baby, show us how to putt, Miss Fat Little. And little Miss Fat Little. Oh, power, yeah. All right, Caddy Leck, let's see what Caddy Leck can do. You power, yeah.
There she go.
Through Yai, here we go through Yai. Power, yeah again. Hey, you blocked that ball. Copy, all right. Through Yai, say copy. Here, you hold for me. I mean, they would literally get on their knees for you. Oh, wait a minute. You're doing that on purpose. Inside, you do that on purpose. You do that. You shop gang me.
ไม่แกล้งไม่โกหก
Putting that all in my face.
เอ้ย inside น่ะไม่แกล้งอ่ะว่าไปทางนั้น
I don't know what the hell she's saying, but whatever it is, it makes me want to follow her up the hill. The beauty of all of this is that she has no idea the gold mine she's sitting on. She's just doing her job. And as we all know in the Matrix, she would have been snatched up before she got out of the airport. She thinks she has a belly. She has no idea about the lack of competition at Walmart and Costco. But in a place like this, her attractiveness is regulated to just another girl next door.
ซ้าย too much ซ้าย
Sai means left, by the way.
up down นะ
I
turned. They don't want to see me, they want to see you. They want to see Caddy Sawai.
ไม่สวย
Sawai.
Even though we laugh and dance and play on the golf course, they take their jobs very seriously. They line up the putts accurately. They make sure to cover the margin of error. They help each other to help us. Here's another example.
Down there looking for my ball.
They'll look in the bushes, shallow water.
Look at this, man. We in the rain. This dude is making her go in the water.
See, I told her no.
Come on, man.
I
This is
said
what
it
I'm
was
saying.
too
You see what you
steep.
said they do?
I told her it
Shane.
was too steep.
Come on, man. Look at
I
that.
told her it was
Look
too
at.
steep not to go. And
But yet he let her go.
What's supposed to do?
Do
tackle?
Sawai.
Come on, dude.
Oh, now you want to help now.
And even the long grass to help us find our ball. Their recovery rate is shocking. No attitude, no get it yourself. They will do their best each and every time. Now, back to the fun part.
Baby, Shasha, though. You got a Shasha. You got a Shasha, yeah. Shash, yeah. That's how that man like it, Shasha.
And as the round winds down, I can only imagine what Rump Shaker would look like in a dress that actually fits. And the best part of it all, after 4 hours of golf, she still has the same energy, the same pep in her step, the bongos are still playing, and she still has no problem delivering a warm smile. Are you tired of the Matrix and ready for the ultimate adventure? Come and hang out with the Travel OG at Zoom Fest 2024. Experience non-stop activities, a private yacht party, a dinner symposium with Thai lawyers and Thai real estate agents to help you transition out of the Matrix and answer all of your questions. You even get a consultation with the Travel OG that's included with your purchase of any of the 3 packages. You'll have the option of visiting the Philippines as well as Thailand. 3 cities, 2 countries, and 1 island. Packages starting at $52.99. Military and Patreon members get $500 off of this package. Hurry, because prices are going to increase as we get closer to the event. Lock in your package now for the best deal available. For more info, contact us at zoomtothailand@gmail.com. Thanks for tuning in to Caddy of the Day. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Until next time, keep swinging and keep the notification bell ringing. You dig? Theme music!
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
If you want to go on a golf date, make sure to email me at zoomtothailand@gmail.com and type golf date in the subject matter. Also, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. Put the notifications to all, because you never know when we might do a pop-up in the middle of Thailand. You dig?